Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. What if I told you there was a big, scary, super strong creature that looks like Spider-Man, but is not Spider-Man? He has sharp teeth, a long tongue, and is as fast as lightning. His name is Venom. A long time ago, a strange black goo fell from space. It wasn't a rock. It wasn't a spaceship. It was alive. This goo could stick to people and give them superpowers, but it also made them very, very angry. At first, it stuck to Spider-Man. It gave him a black suit and made him super strong. But Spider-Man started to feel different. He didn't feel like himself. He felt mean and angry, so he took the suit off. But the goo wanted a new friend. It found a man named Eddie Brock. Eddie was also angry, and when the black goo stuck to him, something scary happened. Boom! Eddie and the black goo became Venom. Venom is huge. He has super sharp teeth, a long tongue, and he can climb walls just like Spider-Man. But he is much stronger. He can make his hands into big claws and even turn invisible in the dark. But here's the secret. Venom is not all bad. Sometimes he wants to fight Spider-Man, but other times he helps protect people from even scarier bad guys. Did you know Venom doesn't need a web to swing? He can make his own webs. And guess what? He loves to eat chocolate. So, is Venom a good guy or a bad guy? Maybe he's both. One thing is for sure, he's one of the strongest and scariest creatures ever. Would you want to be friends with Venom, or would you run away? bye for now. See you next time.